Good morning. I am Mrs. Rachna Agarwal, the principal of the Modern School, Rajnagar Extension, Ghaziabad. I will take you through the campus of my school. And here I am entering. This is a pre-primary class, KG kindergarten. And manual exam, which shows the kaleidoscope of various activities. There's a wall-to-wall mural. Vinyl flooring has been given. Even if children have bare feet, they feel comfortable to move on. Circular furniture to ensure their school interaction and sharing caring concept to children. All these creatives have been done with the help of teacher. The students have largely developed with the help of teachers. Children from here can peek out into the small garden area which is reserved for them. I am now entering into P1, that is primary class 1. Room size is the same. Beautiful, colorful, peach color furniture has been provided to give a feeling of their mood. The colorfulness in the class. Outside is the front facade, the open area, the parking lot, and a small green area. I am entering into class 3. So we call it P3, that is primary 3, primary class 3. So the beautiful storage of children's creative work and their journals and their workbooks are stored here. Again, the display board, the theme boards, the information board along with the whiteboard, I'm entering into class 5. This class has special attraction in terms of the murals, wall-to-wall mural on one wall, the display board, the theme board, beautiful created by the children, students' corners where they went out their opinion on various issues. Again, comfortable furniture, the whiteboard and the display board. So on my left, there is again 3D board which showcases Fit India, Fit Children, Fit India. That's to emphasize on the physical and mental health of children. I am moving into another classroom, which is class 8. And here I enter and again the same comfortable infrastructure has been provided. The class size, all the class size is 57 square meters. So these are display board, theme boards, whiteboards. So these are particular details of children, the monthly planner, the learning outcomes, blueprint of the question papers, the rules and regulations, vision, mission of the school. Now I am entering into class 6. The structure is the same. We have smartboard here, whiteboard. Almost all along the wall there are display boards, information board, theme boards. Two AC each room have been provided. Corner and furniture, comfortable furniture even in the higher classes is being added classes, class 11. Properly ventilated, ergonomical furniture, organized furniture, comfortable one, even in the senior classes. Yes, I am entering into the computer laboratory, which is again a spacious room equipped with 20 systems. Children work here on Windows 8. Various softwares have also been provided, downloaded. There are provision of theory classes also here. It's again state-of-the-art infrastructure. The ratio is 1:2 at times. The ratio is 1:1 also. Because we have another computer laboratory on the first floor also where I will take you down. I am coming out of the computer laboratory and on my diagonally on my right now on my left I am entering into the library. I am already attached to the I am already on the ground floor. So this is again an area of 120 square meters. There are bookshelves all around, all along the wall. These are the primary classes reading material, novels, books on various genres. These are the periodicals and journals. Sports Star, Outlook, Science Reporter, Education World, Champa, Science Refresher, Reader Digest, Science Reporter, India Today, and many more. We subscribe to all the newspapers, Hindustan Times, Times of India, Hindu for senior classes 11th and 12th. Again, I diagonally opposite the sports room is the art studio, and I am already inside the art studio, the art room, art lab. A lot of artifacts created by children in the supervision of the teacher are displayed here. The project of best out of waste. The clays artifact, the clay animal figures. Of this lab is 57 square meters, as good as that of a classroom. It is a composite lab which caters to the scientific needs of children from classes 6 to 8. And here a lot of beautiful projects have been displayed by children, have been created and displayed by the children, because we believe in inquiry-based and project-based learning. So, under the project of holiday homework, children have created beautiful projects: photosynthesis, water cycle, is mathematics lab. Here students conduct the practicals and hands-on learning experience in mathematics. Suitable equipments and devices have been provided to cater to the hands-on learning of students. Again, children have made hands-on projects to understand the theory part of the subject in a practical way and in a realistic way. This is again an area of 57 square meters. Coming out of the handstand, I am moving towards my. So coming out of library again, I am moving towards my left, further into the corridor, and this is 3-dimensional board, Nav Jagran, and I am moving towards the school auditorium. Few steps away to the other end of the corridor, I am turning onto my right and entering into the school auditorium. It is used largely for inter-house activities and the staff meetings and small meetings. It caters to the people gathering of 110 to 15 at one point of time. There is a display board here. Children have again created beautiful paintings, wall-to-wall paintings here. This again gives a feeling of the state-of-art infrastructure. For announcement, there is podium and mic, and all entire music system is equipped with. This again takes you to the feel of 3-dimensional multiple intelligence board. So I am entering into the wellness room of the school, where the wellness teacher interacts with the children individually, particularly, otherwise collectively they go into the class and the individual sessions are carried out here, so that the children feel comfortable to share their issues with the teachers in private. All the documents are being maintained through these areas, and the files of the activities taken are maintained here. I am entering into the medical room, the sick bay, which has a provision of 7 to 8 beds each and 2 bunk beds with a partition with the medical teacher, the nurse and the doctors. Checkup, different checkups, dental, eye and teeth checkup records have been maintained here. Proper safety, privacy and cleanliness is the prime focus of this area. Here, South Indian food, oil-free, spice-free, normally ready-to-eat food. Proper hygiene and cleanliness has been taken care of. The green area, that's the playground just outside. So playground and the cafeteria are adjacent to each other. Well lighted, well ventilated. Children relish their food and a very comfortable infrastructure and the environment. Diagonally across the cafeteria, I am entering and showcasing a class. This is a baby class. We have projectors and whiteboard. Social distancing has already been taken care of once the school begins. The display boards normally display the theme which is going on in the classes at that point of time. Students and teachers work together to decide the theme and display in a beautiful way. So I am moving around the arena which is called quadrangle, which is used for the dispersal activity also after the classes and the school gets over. The children come back, line up here, give their attendance here, and announcements are to be made. There is a podium placed here in the front of the arena, and necessary announcements for the buses which have arrived to take the children up. From here, and I am moving all around this quadrangular area where there are classes all around it, and in one corner of this, one side of this area, there are provisions of the washrooms and toilets, drinking water. This is used for the indoor play area also at times, in case it rains outside, so this area is used for badminton. And 6 taps for drinking water and 2 for senior year. The water arrangement is all RO water, which is connected with the overhead tanks, huge overhead tanks, a couple of them on the top of the building. After this, I am moving into, on my right, I am moving into the boys' toilet area. So there are 6 urinals. There are 6 urinals with a proper partition in between each, with 5 commodes. Special cleanliness and security is a provision of the school. That's a prime responsibility and prime provision of the school. In the other enclosure, the other side of it, along the enclosure, there are 6 basins and 1 little elevated. So total of 7 wash basins. Coming out of the boys' toilet, I am entering into the girls'. I have entered the girls' washroom area. The girls' washroom area again is equipped with 6 wash basins. Across that there are 5 commodes with proper sanitation, water supply, flush system with the liquid soap, small mirrors each on top of each of the basins are displayed here. School strongly ensures the complete safety system for the staff, students and the entire infrastructure. So this is the full panel for the fire extinguishers, which extends and integrates to the other areas. There are 4 setup sprinklers on each floor, ground, first and second floor. Reverting and going to the school playground. On my right hand side there are staircases for the audiences to view the sports activities. On the other side of the ground, on the right, extreme right corner, there is basketball, football pitch. Adjacent to that is the cricket pitch. So we have football, basketball, lawn tennis, kho-kho, track for running. So I'm already into the middle of the school playground, and the wall along the playground is 10 feet in height. Inside, in the center of the playground, we have the facility for the basketball, football, then cricket, lawn tennis, and every possible outdoor sport that the school can offer. So it's a lush, green, sprawling campus which is covered and protected by a very sturdy boundary wall of 10 feet all along. So on my right, there are staircases where the parents are invited and seated for viewing the sports activity. And these staircases are also beautifully designed and painted and handicraft by the children and the teachers to land it a beautiful aesthetic impact. So after moving out to the school playground, I'm entering into the campus from gate number 2. Go upstairs. So I started climbing the stairs to go to the second floor first. We have all our laboratories. So this is the first floor. I will come back to it later. First I am moving on to the second floor. And I am moving through the corridor to reach to the labs. So first on my left is biology lab. This is our biology lab. The area of the lab is 57 square meters, which is state-of-the-art lab, provides children hands-on experience into learning biology. From here, children can have a look at the lecturing area towards the ground, school ground. इसमें एक इक्विपमेंट आप ले लीजिए 5 में से. This lab is fit for accommodating more than 30 students at a time. We have a soft board and a white board for theory classes also as well. It is equipped with the latest equipment to be able to cater to all the experiments for classes 11th and 12th. We add on to the new infrastructure as per the requirement. So we have all the necessary assets and basics to begin with the practicals for classes 11th and 12th. To avoid any mishaps. Now, right across chemistry lab, we have physics lab, and I am entering into the physics lab. This is again state of the art. The area of physics lab is again 150 square meters, and it's a long laboratory. Spacious, where children can move around comfortably. Each and every equipment has been placed for the wider view, and students are able to perform practicals with all comfort and ease. So all the necessary equipments for class 11th and 12th have been placed at adequate distance from one another, and it's a spacious lab which provides enough space to children to stand and perform practicals with all ease and comfort. The area of the lab is 120 square meters. There is well equipped with proper light and ventilation. There are 2 boards, display and whiteboards for explanation purposes. Moving further on my left to enter the music room, and I am entering the music room. This is again the area is the same as that of classrooms, 57 square meters. Children sit on the floor. And sing and learn music in a very relaxed way. To provide hands-on experience in music, we have a lot of equipments, music equipments. And this is how the synchronization between the vocal and the instrumental music takes place. So we have carrom, ludo, chess, yoga mats can be seen spread all around. We have table tennis tables. 2 tables have been provided to children. The entire school is divided into various games and sports, indoor and outdoor. And then in the zero period, children go to their respective venues to take part in different sports activities. The dance room, which is a very state-of-the-art room, beautifully designed and architect, beautifully designed and conceptualized. Wall to wall is a wooden flooring, and one wall is veneer wall. There is a mirror on one side of the entire wall-to-wall mirror from side to side, and wooden flooring from corner to corner. It caters to the number of 50 students at a time upstairs. This page here, this is a swan made of the ball and the paper and sticks. So much of work has been done by children all over.